Okay, to get your data from the LCO site, here's your observation. It says it was completed. So we're going to click on that and open that up. And then I'm going to click on the data tab to view the data, and it says view on archive. This is good because then you can do some selecting. For example, we can select the reduction level. We just want the fully reduced images. And then we can select all of those. Down here I want to actually view as many as we can. So let's select all of them. There should be 30 images and hit download. This will take a little while, but let's put them somewhere useful. Documents. Okay, we will put them in the Paso Robles High School. Notice it's LCGOT data. That's going to take a little bit of time here. We can show it in the folder. Now there's one thing that we have to do, a couple things actually. We have to extract the data once it's downloaded. And secondly, you have to change the file type. The LCO telescopes save it as a certain file type, and we need to change that. While that's confirming the download, what I'm going to do is find the data from LCO. There's this fun pack, and I'm just going to copy that whole folder. Copy the whole folder, and then I want to go back to the folder where this is all going to be put, and I'm just going to paste that whole folder. Okay, so it's the Fun Pack it's probably Liberator. When the LCO data is done, it opens up this file, and here we need to extract the data. Extract all. Brings up a window that says extract it here, and you say yes, extract. Okay, so it's extracting those files. Okay, now that it's all extracted, I'm going to copy those files, actually this pack. I'm going to move the whole thing into where the extracted files are. Okay, and once it's done moving that, I open this up, and I'm going to need to move it into that folder. Okay, open this up. Now here are all the files, and notice they end in FZ. We want them to end in if fits. So I open the Fun Pack and do Fun Packer. This is the Windows batch file, not Fun Pack, but the Fun Packer. Do that one. Copy all of these into the folder with the actual files. Okay, and then run the Fun Packer. Okay, run the Fun Packer, and it will pop up a window that shows that stuff is happening. And in the meantime, you can also see in this window that the files are losing the FZ designation. We want them to end in the 91. E91 are the reduced images from LCO, so that's working. That only takes a few seconds. Okay, so all the files have opened, and now we can open them with Astro ImageJ. Normally you have to open Astro ImageJ first, so if we go open Astro ImageJ. Okay, and from here just go File, Open, and go to our most recent files there. This would be Paso Robles. Open one of those. And here we have it with a beautiful double star. Now if we turn down the sort of the gain on the image, oh, they look fantastic. Remember that when you do the measurements from the primary, the brighter one, to the secondary, you need to make sure that your aperture size, that central ring, sort of fits each star but doesn't overlap stars, and also the annulus, the two outer rings, make sure those are totally in the dark part of the sky, which they are here. I'm going to change the aperture to make it a little bit smaller. Go up to Set. It opens up another window. I'm going to make it 5 and see what that looks like. That's a little better, then it really won't overlap too much. And let's do a measurement. Hold down the central wheel on the mouse and go try and find roughly the center of your secondary star, and then let go of that center. It brings up a measurement table. Here's your arc length and your position angle. Now what's cool is it shows the arc length in seconds up here. In the table it shows it in arc minutes. Up here in pink it shows it in arc seconds, which is usually what we're looking at. And then you can compare this to your expected data, the most recent observations. When I pull up the data for this star, here's your 11080. I can't believe how perfect this looks. We had our most recent observation was at 328, and the position angle, and it's going down from 346. So we want it to be maybe down a little bit from 328. And look at this, it's at 326.6. And the separation was going up from 4.4 to 5.5, and now we're at 5.71. This looks to me like really great data. Congratulations! Woohoo!